Okay, today we're going to do some practice with our new pens. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure you have a pen and a tablet. And I want you to open up this document, which is a blank 8.5 by 11 canvas. And I want you to choose the brush tool, the paintbrush, right? And so we're going to go ahead and choose maybe about a 10 pixel brush. That's a pretty good size brush. And then under mode, we're going to go ahead and, we'll pick darken color. We'll leave it on that if it's not already on that. All right. So what I want you to do is using your pen, not your mouse, I want you to go ahead and write the entire alphabet first in capital letters, right? So get practice, right? Doing that. You'll see how it's not exactly the same as writing with a regular pen. But the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it. And then I want you to do the same thing with lowercase. Right. You know, you should probably have a little more room. Okay. Now I want you to go ahead and do your numbers 1 through 0. So 1, 2. I want you to kind of play around with feeling how the different amount of pressure, like if I put more pressure, you see how my lines are thicker, right? If I just put a little bit of pressure, right? My lines are very thin. Okay. All right. I also would like you to draw a circle. It's not easy to do. A square, a triangle, a rectangle, and an oval. Okay. So go ahead and create that. You don't have to do it in the same color I chose, but it does need to be visible on your white background. Okay, and then save that out and upload that as a .png to the assignment.